Hello, good night. The Consequence of Pollution Water by Santiago of the Rivers. The water pollution is a very sensitive issue because water is our main source of life. One of the consequences of water pollution on our health is the diseases that we can contract when we live near a contaminated source. For example, the stagnant water. The stagnant water can cause the spread of insects, which thereby can cause all diseases. Diseases such as dengue, Zika, West Nile virus, malaria, etc. These diseases affect our quality of life to the point that they can cause of death. Very crazy. It is estimated that 309 million people are infected with dengue annually. In more than 100 countries, of half a million are hospitalized. It's very crazy. And 2.5% of them die. Things to keep in mind. Pay attention. Please clean the stagnant water in your home. It's very important. Please take care of the environment. It's very important. Please get vaccinated against viruses. Okay? The water pollution is a very problem in the world. Please take care. See you next time. Goodbye.